Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we will learn how to construct a gear profile in Autodesk Inventor software. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we will select the XY plane. Take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle of diameter 50. Okay. Now finish sketch. Take extrude. Take extrude of 10 mm and here we are going to take symmetric extrude. Okay, so this will be from the center point. Okay, select this face, go to create sketch, take the circle command. From the center point, make circle of dia 38. From same center, dia 28. Okay, finish sketch, take extrude, select this middle profile and here we will flip the direction to direction 2 and take a distance here of 3 mm. Press OK. So this will be a cut profile. Now I want the similar cut other side as well. So go to mirror, select extrude 2, go to mirror plane, go to origin and here select the XY plane. Rotate. Here you can see the green profile and press OK. Now you can see the cut profile. Go to home. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the mounting hole. Take the circle command. From the center, make here a circle of diameter 16. Go to rectangle and take 2-point rectangle. Make the rectangle profile. Go to dimension. From center point, the outermost dimension will be 10 mm and this dimension here will be of 4 mm. Here we will take horizontal constraint, select the center and select the center. Okay, go to coincident, select this point and select this point and scale. Now go to 3D model, take extrude, select both the profiles and here flip the direction to direction 2. So it will change it to cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. From back side this will look like this. Press OK. Go to home. Now select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the tooth profile. Take the arc command, take 3-point arc and here scale. Go to arc again, 3-point arc and make one arc profile here. Okay, and make one arc profile here. Go to the line command and make a joining profile and scale. Okay, go to dimension, define this dimension here as 1 mm. Okay, and define this as radius 5 and this also radius 5. Now scale. Now you can see the profile has been dislocated, so we'll drag it upside. Okay, go to vertical constraint, select the center and select the center, so it will align at center. Go to dimension, select this and here select this outer, define this height as 3 mm. Now scale. Okay, go to dimension, select this point and here select this center point. We'll give a horizontal distance of 2 mm. Similarly select here and select the center point. Horizontal distance here will also be of 2 mm and scale. Okay, now you can see the tooth profile. Select this yellow profile, make it construction. Now go to arc, take 3-point arc once again. Select this point and select this point and drag the arc up to this and scale. Okay, so tooth profile has been made. Now finish sketch. Here we'll take extrude, flip the direction and here we will take 2, or you can take 10 mm also, but if you take 2 and select this face, so this Extrude will be done up to this phase. This will also be a joining profile, and press OK. Home. Now I want a pattern of this. So I'll take circular pattern, select extrude 4, go to rotation axis, select this axis and take count of 28 and press OK. Okay. Now give the appearance. So we'll take here chrome polished black. So it will be the final output. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a gear profile in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.